decisions are made.
Hey, Jumbo, first ball possession, White. Penetrating Dos, all the way to the hoop, connects 2 points. First basket of the game. Seth Carrion, jersey number 27. Inward pass, cuts and shoot, basket, a mid-range J. First deadlock. Bambala, jersey number 20. Setting up the play, inward pass, kick out, on the left wing. Connects 3 points. Asa na naman sa nag-inbound, inward pass. Turnaround shot. Off the ring, offensive rebound, a putback. Offensive rebound, 14 yan. Controls the board, pass to jersey number 27. Drop pass lang yun, 30. Basket. Follow-up shot. Pass break, interception, a bad pass. Pasa na yan, binomba pa. Off the glass, connects 2 points. Substitution. Sa east, switch Pakita Perao. Drop pass lang sa 8. Shot lock, counting down. Atake doon sa east, steal drop. Ang lupe, basket. For block. Tukateral, jersey number 5. Connects 2 points. Pass on the right wing. Jersey number 11. Inward pass. Sa Vietnam, switch back. Inward pass sa east. Penetrate. And connects 2 points. Off the glass. Penalty. Atake. Seal drop. No basket. Offensive rebound ng 0. Naipit sa baseline. Denied. Na-block ka ron. On the charity line. Connects 2 points. 1 out of 2. Dying seconds. 5.4 seconds. Aim for 3. Short. And of the first period. Next out of possession. White. Infinity. Alternating arrow. Jersey number 14. Receiving the ball. On top of the key. Aim for 3. Short. Now switch back to Garcia. On the right wing. Jersey number 16, inward pass sa big man, dinalik ni Garcia, aim for 3, connects 3 points. Orchestrating the play, pass to Garcia. Naka-screen, aim for 3, connects 3 points by Garcia. Nice. Yan to. It is bad pass. Break away ang dalawa sa White. Easy 2 points, still in a basket. Orchestrating the play. Setting up the play. Inward pass. Atake Ocho, open wide. Connecting. My God, para sa White. Hinaharas ka agad siya ng Labus. Still, natapitan. Atake Labus all the way coast to coast. Connect 2 points. Deadlock, first dead. Jersey number 20. Engaging. Drop pass lang yan. Nice pass. And throws the foul. Okay na yun. On the left. On the right wing. Perimeter. The next 2 points. Dying seconds. Shot lang off. 8 seconds. Hinaharas si Lapus. Naka-crossover move. Steal. Breakaway yan. Layup. Basket. Buzzer beater. And of the first half. Next out of possession, block for Oten. Change court na tayo. 26 controls the board. Atake Garcia. Engaging. No basket yan. Off the glass. Turnover para sa block. On top of the key. Connect 3 points. Nahasel yun. Steal na naman. Pass break yan. Steal. Interception by jersey number 27. Aim for 3. Connect 3 points. Atake ngayon ng jersey number 2. Kick out. On the right wing. Pull up. Basket. 2-2. Hesitate. And pull up. No basket. Offensive rebound. Follow up shot. And connect. To jersey number 12. On the left wing, shoot, aim for three. And jersey number 27 controls the ball. Pass with Sergarion. Atake sa baseline, big man. Reverse layup. Connects 2 points. Nakita sa low post. Sa backdoor. Reverse, no basket. Reverse layup. Pass break na yan sa 28. Nakita Sergarion open wide. Connect. Setting up the play. Sa taon 6, back is Mendoza. A pull out. Basket. Asa kay Capiral. Penetrate, engaging all the way. And 0-2. Penetrate, a pull up, mid-range J, basket. Capiral controls the ball. Backs out si Capiral. Pasa na yan. Open wide. Connect 2 points. Jersey number 15. Penetrate si Capiral. Naras, steal by Mendoza. Pass, break. All the way, breakaway ang 0, connect 2 points. Jersey number 5, steal drop, no basket, offensive rebound, follow-up shot off the glass, connect 2 points. Wow. Atake, si Mendoza, drop pass lang sa 25 yan, nice pass. Dying seconds in this third period. Cuts and shoot, end of the third period. On the left wing, aim for 3, no basket, and Sergarion controls the board. Aim for 3 again, connects 3 points. Offensive rebound 27. On the corner, right, no basket. Offensive rebound pa rin yan, and throws the foul. Basket. 3-2 situation atake Sergarion, layup, basket. Sergarion, hindi ba nakaharas sa dalawa? Left corner, 3 points. Piral. Pasa lang yan. Nakita ka Sergarion open wide. Off the glass. Atake 20. Steve drop. Connect 2 points. In this final quarter. Atake 0. Hinaharas. Inward pass to C. Kick out. On the corner. Basket 3 points. Interception. Pasa lang yung intercepted niya para sa wide. Well, jersey number 20, aim for 3. Connect 3 points. Pasa na yan. All the way, layup, and throws a foul. From jersey number 66. Last 2 minutes. Inward pass sa Capiral. Asking Capiral. Shot clock winding down. Atake ngayon, Lapus, nakita sa low post yun! Nice pass sa backdoor. Dying second. Capiral, layup. 5.7. Break. 6.6 seconds.